This is my 2010 Range Rover Sport 3 litre V6. Bought it about 3 months ago, and just a quick look around it. There are a few little issues with it. The front camera aren't working. It looks like someone's had a poke around at it. Something to fix. Not sure if it's picking up on this, but the paintwork could do with a real good detail. There's some minor scratches on it and general usage, but I'll sort that out soon. As you can see, it's inside it's pretty good, nice cream leather. A few things that I need to just tidy up, like this button. You see, we've done 106,334 miles. I've had it, as I say, about 3 months, and I've done just over 2,000 without any major problems. Just replacements of the compressor and resetting of the suspension, which was done a week after I had it, under warranty. See, there's a tear in the leather there. I'm not sure there's much I can do about that, but I'll have a look, see if there's any trim panels I can get. But in general, it's not too bad. One thing that I do want to replace is if I can, is this, where I believe the whole door trim panel's got to be replaced, so we'll see about that. The Range Rover letters are looking a bit worse for wear, so I might replace those. I'm not sure what colour yet, but I think I prefer the originals to black, but I'll give it some thought. Fairly clean under here. It was a little bit dusty when I bought it, and it certainly looks as though someone's been off-road in it. Looks like on the beach. It's definitely sand. Might even be Welsh sand to all I know. So that's it for a first look. I will be posting some more videos, how I get along with it, running it and living with it. Any problems, any upgrades, any changes I make, replacement of parts, cleaning, detailing, etc. So please like and subscribe, and there'll be plenty more to come. Slight epilogue. There's my daily driver. And here is something that's a quarter, if not less weight than the Range Rover, and that's a current project, which is a 1968, 50 years old in October, Lotus Elan S4 SE. And I recently bought a water pump replacement kit, as the other one was a bit ropey, and took the head off to get to the water pump. Found out that the exhaust valves were leaking, which means the head needs to be refurbished. There's the engine over there. So, engine out. I then decided that the engine bay needed a full refurbishment, which means I'll strip the entire engine bay. Everything's over there in boxes, lots of stored bits. And over here, nice Lotus Elan original Colin Chapman steering wheel there. Those go for about £800, believe it or not, if you can get one. Brake and clutch parts. And an original manual. So that should keep me busy for a while. Who doesn't love cars? As I said, like and subscribe. Plenty more to come. Thank you.